Here are a funny video of a dog and a duck. But first, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you love this video.
I'm sexy and I know it.